Eleutherococcus is also known as Siberian Ginseng. It's been a herb occupying a significant place in Chinese medicine for thousands of years as an adaptogen. Russian and Korean folk medicine have also used Eleutherococcus for several purposes, including using it to increase stamina, promote mental health, and also to promote overall health. Native to China, Japan, and far east of Russia, Eleutherococcus is a member of the ginseng family, together with the popular American ginseng, Panax quinquefolius. Eleutherococcus has gained much awareness in China for its several medicinal purposes that it's now listed in many Chinese herbal formulas. For decades, Eleutherococcus has proved to be an active agent in improving blood sugar levels, blood lipid levels, and insulin use in diabetics. When tested out in type 2 diabetic mice, it was observed that it significantly reduced the insulin resistance, and thus it reduced blood glucose levels. In a lab study to confirm the effects of the eleuteroside components, the eleutherins A, B, C, D, E, F, and G, on blood sugar, it was shown that the compounds were able to normalize the blood sugar levels, making the Eleutherococcus very useful for improving diabetes. Eleutherococcus was found to enhance the neuronal communication concerned with memory and learning in animal studies, and this property could be of great benefit in helping patients living with Alzheimer's disease. The Eleutherococcus also had a significant stress-reducing ability that helps to restore memory deficits as a result of excess stress. By increasing immune cell production of the body, Eleutherococcus helps to boost the immune system. When tested in an animal study, the root extract of Eleutherococcus was found to increase the levels of antibody molecules immunoglobulin G and immunoglobulin M, and these are responsible for protecting the body against microbes. Also, by supporting the natural detoxification process of the liver, Eleutherococcus helps to boost the body's immune system, and it's also been found to be effective in helping the liver to process harmful toxins, including sodium barbital, alcohol, and the tetanus toxin. Eleutherococcus improves cognitive function. It's been found to be effective in helping to improve mental function, such as memory and concentration, by increasing the flow of blood to the brain. Some pain-relieving drugs, like naproxen sodium, work by inhibiting the inflammatory pathway activating enzyme, COX-2. Eleutherococcus has also been found to be associated with reduced expression of the COX-2, thus making it a promising agent for preventing inflammation. It also reduces the excess mast cell activity that's associated with allergic inflammation. Being a stimulant, the root of the herb increases circulation and heart rate, and it may hence help to raise blood pressure over time, making Eleutherococcus a beneficial herb for people who are living with hypotension. By slowing cancer progression and by boosting the body's immune system, Eleutherococcus has shown a promising effect in improving cancer outcomes. In a study, it was found to significantly reduce the growth of lung and liver cancer. Eleutherococcus also helps to protect from mutations and cancerous cells, aside from helping to fight already formed cancer cells. Eleutherococcus has been used for decades in several traditional medicines to increase the muscle and the bone strength. In a study conducted in 2013, 100 milligrams of Eleutherococcus given to rats over a period of 8 weeks was found to increase femur bone density by as much as 16%. Following a review of studies where a standardized extract of Eleutherococcus was used, it was confirmed that the herb is effective in treating herpes simplex 2, and it relieves the symptoms of the common cold. The liquid extract of Eleutherococcus has been found to be effective against several RNA viruses, including influenza A, respiratory syntactical virus, and human rhinovirus. The herb helps also to fight these viruses and to prevent their replication. Extracts of Eleutherococcus and eleutherosides are associated with binding to estrogen receptor sites, and this could help to lessen the effects of estrogen withdrawal in women who are going through the menopause. Studies in athletes have revealed that Eleutherococcus is capable of increasing performance by prolonging endurance time, decreasing blood glucose levels, and increasing heart rate. And it also reduces exercise-induced immunosuppression and exercise-induced serotonin release. These are two factors that make exercise more tasking, and they can prolong the recovery after an exercise. According to several animal studies on the supplementation of Eleutherococcus, the results have shown a reduction in the degenerative effects of Parkinson's disease. However, there's still more research to be conducted to confirm that the same effect applies in humans. Different studies have confirmed the effects of the eleutherocytes in preventing and repairing nerve damage. It's been used for decades as a management and a preventative medication for progressive neurological conditions like Alzheimer's disease. A study involving rats with nerve damage confirmed the effects of the Eleutherococcus in improving the nerve regeneration and the synapse reformation. Eleutherococcus has been found to reduce physical and mental fatigue in response to physical stress in animal studies. The herb has also been associated with reduced stress-related changes in behavior in animals that were deprived of sleep. Eleutherococcus also decreases recovery time from stress in animal studies. Eleutherocytes have been associated with lymphatic function of the lymph node network. In a 2016 study, Eleutherococcus powder was found to significantly reduce edema within 2 to 4 hours after the consumption in 50 healthy volunteers. By boosting the immune system, Eleutherococcus can help to speed up the healing process. The compound components of the Eleutherococcus have been shown to have properties that can help to prevent ulcer formation, including diabetic foot ulcers. By being an immune stimulant, Eleutherococcus may bring about a shortened length and severity of lung infections such as pneumonia and influenza. The leaves of the Eleutherococcus can either be prepared as a tea or eaten raw. However, most studies that have looked into the health benefits of the herb have only focused on the root, meaning that it's possible not to have as much an effect of the Eleutherococcus when the leaves are used instead of the root. For more information about adaptogens, herbs, supplements, or health conditions, check out my website.